Here's the crazy part. Think about this before you respond. Are you more interested in looking good in front of absolute strangers in a workshop that you probably will never see again? Or are you more interested in looking good only in front of your friends and your family and people that care about you? See, I really care about looking, well, I really don't care about looking good. You saw the costume I wore yesterday, that looking good is out the window. But I get rid of looking good, and what happens is joy and self-expression comes out. Okay? How many people here, how many people just in life, you just wouldn't just in the middle of nowhere because people that you would never see. But here, this is how this affects us. This is funny. But we care. We care so much about what other people think, we put our lives at risk. Why do I say that? What happens when you're in the first line, when you're right front up at a red light, and the light turns green? What do? Somebody raise your hand. What do? Okay, some people go. I don't. I wait 5 to 7 seconds because there's too many people on their phones not paying attention. And have you seen the video of the person that waited and the semi-truck that took out the 2 cars that didn't? And you know what? Even if I have this conversation with you, you may not wait because you're concerned about the person behind you getting upset for 2 seconds that you don't even know and will never see again. So you're just going to put your life at risk. What? Okay, but do you get that? How insane is that? No, every red light, wait 5 seconds. Why? Because you want to live. Why do we care so much about other people? It's insane. We want to look good. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.